In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redact PDFs in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Working with sensitive information requires careful handling, and redacting is an essential step to ensure privacy and security in your documents. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confident in removing sensitive content from your PDFs with just a few simple steps. Let's get started by opening your PDF file. Firstly, launch Adobe Acrobat Pro. Once it's open, head over to the File menu located at the top left of the interface. Click on it and then select the Open option. Here, you'll need to locate and choose the PDF file you wish to redact. Once selected, your PDF will open within the program, ready for editing. Next, we need to access the redaction tools. Navigate to the Tools tab, which is also found at the top of the window. Scroll through the available options until you find Redact. Once you spot it, click Open to bring up the redaction toolbar. This toolbar is crucial for marking and applying redactions in your document, providing various options for editing. We can now move on to marking the content you wish to redact. Begin by clicking Mark for Redaction in the toolbar. This tool allows you to highlight any text, images, or specific areas that need to be removed. If you're focusing on a particular word or sentence, simply drag your cursor over the intended section. For larger areas like images or text blocks, click and drag your mouse to create a highlighting box around the area of interest. You'll notice that the selected elements are neatly outlined in red, clearly indicating what's been marked for redaction. Now that everything is marked, it's time to apply those redactions. With your selections completed, locate and click the Apply button within the toolbar. At this point, Adobe Acrobat Pro will alert you that this action is permanent. It's a crucial reminder that once redactions are applied, the hidden information is completely removed from the document, making it unrecoverable. Double check your selections if necessary, and once you're certain, click OK to confirm the redactions. And there you have it. You've successfully redacted sensitive content from your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Ensuring that confidential information remains secure has never been easier, and with practice, this process will become second nature. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy Adobe Acrobat tutorials. Your support helps me create more content, and I look forward to guiding you through more exciting features in Adobe Acrobat Pro.